Good morning, guys. Welcome to the session. The first 10 questions deal with a passage. What is this passage about? It is all about egalitarianism. Means what? Equality. Now let us go to the questions. Let us start with question number one. Question number one. Select the most appropriate option to complete the given sentence. Gandhiji or Gandhi aimed at achieving political freedom, establishing a non-violent society, universal brotherhood. All the three are true. Achieving political freedom, establishing a non-violent society, universal brotherhood. Based on that, answer is the fifth option 1, 2, and 3. Question number 2. Egalitarianism means this is an important word. It means suppression. No, it is a positive word. Violence, negative. Suppression, negative. Inequality, negative. Elitism, in a way, negative. Elite, the cream of a society. Answer is the second option, social and political equality. Egalitarianism means what? Social and political equality. Answer is the second option. Question number 3. In the context of the passage, which of the following statements is false? You got to be careful. The instinct of possession causes conflicts. The instinct of possession cannot be rooted out completely. Satisfaction of material needs cannot earn peace and progress. All these are true. Conflicts between groups and classes are bound to arise. Need not be all the time. Answer is the fourth option. Voluntary renunciation is the key. Conflicts between groups and classes are bound to arise. Question number 4. Which of the following is the most similar in meaning to the word guise? Illusion, disappear, appearance, reprove, trick. Answer is the third option, appearance. Disguise, you have to recollect the word disguise. That means hiding one's true identity. So answer is the third option. Question number 5. According to the passage, people ultimately overturn the form a social order which is based on coercion and oppression. This seems the right option. Does satisfy the basic needs. Why will they reject then? Overturn means not to accept. Is based on conciliation and rapprochement. Is not congenial to the spiritual values of the people. Is brought about by foreign powers. Answer is the first option. Is based on coercion and oppression, force and oppression. Not acceptable. Answer is the first option. Question number 6. According to the passage, which of the following statements is not true? Again, you got to be careful. A social order based on truth and non-violence can help the achievement of maximum freedom for all. That is true. On truth and non-violence. In establishing the social order of Gandhiji's pattern, the possibility of a conflict between different classes hardly exists. True. It is difficult to change the mind of people towards property. In an egalitarian society, material satisfaction can be enjoyed only at the expense of others. That is not true. Answer is the fourth option. Egalitarian is a positive word, not at the expense of others. That is negative. So this is not true. Question number 7. In the context of the passage, what is meant by adoption of ideal of trusteeship? The passage talks about the concept of trusteeship. To equate peace and progress with material satisfaction? No. Ideal for the benefit of the society? The privileged class. It has to go with the privileged class. Voluntarily renounces the possible possessive instincts. Substitution of spiritual values by material values. Welfare of people looked after by the wealthy class. That's what it talks about. Trusteeship. Welfare of people looked after by the wealthy class. Answer is the fifth option. Question number 8. What can you infer from the phrase root out? To destroy something, instill something, find and remove something or someone. Destroy in a way, right? But here, find and remove something or someone. To flatten something. Root out means to remove. Answer is the third option. Question number 9. What is the broad meaning of haves have to yield place to the have nots? If you take the Western countries, this concept originated there. Haves and have nots means rich people and poor people. What is the broad meaning of question number 9? Principles of Mahatma Gandhi needs to nothing to do with Mahatma Gandhi. Foreign powers influencing decisions inside needs to be defeated. Wealthy class have to renounce all their wealth. Wealthy people have to contribute for progress of society. Answer is the fourth option. Question number 10. Choose the most appropriate title for the passage. Material values versus spiritual values. Class conflicts in an egalitarian society. You don't have in an egalitarian society class conflicts. The Gandhiji's vision of social order. It starts with Gandhiji. It talks about his vision of social order, and these are not correct. Answer is the third option. Easy to get the correct answer. Still with the passage? No. Questions 11 to 20, I suppose. You see close test. 10 blanks. Every blank has four alternative words or sentences given in options 1, 2, 3, and 4. You have to tell which word will best suit the respective blank. If no change required, you have to be careful. While there are many refreshing improvements in Niti Aayog's strategy for New India at 75, from the Planning Commission's plans, from the, I think here you have to select the right word. From the bygone, foregone, erstwhile, once, while there are many refreshing movements in Niti Aayog's strategy for New India at 75, from the erstwhile Planning Commission's plans. Answer is the third option, erstwhile. Question number or blank number 12. There are also concerns about some of the strategies recommended. The to change, the rapt to change, the intent to change, the attentive, veracity, the intent, the idea, the intention. Answer is the second option. Intent to change. The approach to planning from preparations of plans and budgets to the creation of a mass movement for development in which every Indian recognizes her role and experiences the tangible benefits is laudable. It will be for Niti Aayog. It will be what? It will be voluble, lucrative, expedient, worthwhile. Answer is the fourth option. It will be worthwhile for Niti Aayog. Question blank number 14. Its resurrection of the 15 reports of the Second Administrative Reforms Commission and recommendation that they must be implemented explosively, lustily, vigorously, sorely. Answer is the third option. Vigorously implemented, vigorously are welcome. The previous government had taken its eye off the ball. It did not put its weight behind the implementation of these well thought out recommendations, which had the, of all political parties, which had what? Which had the endorsement, appropriation, condoning, patronus, endorsement, approval, endorsement of all political parties. The growth of industry and manufacturing is to create more. 16 is to needy, essential, compelled obligation. It should be the second option. Answer is the second option. The growth of industry and manufacturing is essential to create more employment. Essential to create more employment. Blank number 17. If the manufacturing sector is to grow from 16 to 25% of the GDP, which the strategy states as a goal with more capital industries, with more strenuous, tardy, grueling, intensive capital industries. Answer is the fourth option. Blank number 18. What one measures, one manages. The strategy, the urgency. The strategy, apogee, zeniths, highlights. Answer is the third option. Highlights. The strategy highlights the urgency of increasing the tax base. Question number blank number 19. What is required is a fundamental reorientation of the laws and regulations. They must fit social and economic realities. They must fit disguising, emerging, emulating, officiating. Answer is the second option. They must fit emerging social and economic realities. Blank number 20. The Niti Aayog strategy suggests somewhat figuration, contours, perceptions, delineation. The Niti Aayog strategy suggests some perceptions of a universal social security system. These must be sharpened, but not perceptions, contours of a universal social security system. Outlines, these must be sharpened. Answer is the second option. Not that easy, you got to read very carefully. The next set of questions. In the mentioned questions, a paragraph is given. Fill the blank with the correct sentence from the options. Lengthy sentences. 21. One of the most noteworthy characteristics of the modern workplace is remote working. Many organizations today allow employees to connect remotely or from their home, enabling flexibility, freedom, and even a better quality of living and working. Video calls, collaboration, and communication apps are all common and make it possible for teams in different locations and time zones to come together. Reduce commuting and less stress, along with the advantages. Technology has made remote working much easier. Here, technology has made remote working much easier, and to substantiate that statement, video calls, collaboration, and communication apps are all common and make it possible for teams in different locations and time zones to come together. Answer is the third option. 22. The sun's energy can be used to generate electricity, which can heat as well as cool buildings without creating pollution. Reliable energy is essential for economic growth. Unlike coal, oil, and natural gases, whose reserves are limited, sources like the sun, wind, and vegetative waste can be used to generate energy in a suitable way. Here it talks about the sun's energy. In one option, in the second option, you see like the sun. Only in one option you see the sun. Answer is the second option. Unlike coal, oil, and natural gases, whose reserves are limited, sources like the sun, wind, and vegetative waste can be used to generate energy in a suitable way. Answer is the second option. Question number 23. Cities are truly the engines of growth today that needs a holistic approach. To meet the overarching aspirations of growing urban population, and sustain a virtuous cycle of growth and development, development of smart cities has become crucial. So, this is all about smart cities. The smart cities mission is meant to set. The idea is to look at compact areas, create a replicable model that will act like a lighthouse to other aspiring cities. Answer is the first option. The idea it talks about presents to meet the overarching aspirations of growing urban population and sustain a virtuous cycle of growth and development. Development of smart cities has become crucial. That is an idea. The idea is to look at compact areas, create a replicable model that will act like a lighthouse to other aspiring cities. The smart cities mission, so idea. Answer is the first option. 24. And all that without compromising long term prospects for development. It is determined by the degree to which individuals, communities, and public and private organizations are capable of organizing themselves to learn from past disasters and reduce their risk to future ones at international, regional, national, and local levels. A bit difficult. Related to disasters that we can understand, past disasters. Answer is the second option. Disaster resilience, it talks about resilience. Disaster resilience is the ability of individuals, communities to adapt to and recover from hazards, shocks, or stresses. And all that without compromising, resilience without compromising long term prospects for development. Answer is the second option. Question number 25. Can we ensure free and fair elections? You can make out context is elections. Public not only wants fair elections but also demands transparency where the process should be open to inspection by all stakeholders, including political parties, voters, observers, and every person who has a connection with the elections. It should be administrative machinery. It will build, say it, the finances, the selection of the candidates, or the election process, there's a need for transparency in all. It starts with fair elections, continuity of that thought or idea, say it, the finances, the selection of the candidates, or the election process, there's a need for transparency. Only then you can say fair elections. Answer is the third option. Question number 26. These questions deal with given below are six sentences A, B, C, D, E, and F. Answer the following questions after rearranging the following sentences into a coherent paragraph. New pattern 26. Considering statement F as the fourth sentence. Then which of the following becomes a second statement of the rearrangement? Fourth statement. Answer is the third option. E becomes the second statement. Question number 27. Same idea. Considering statement F, the fourth sentence, which becomes fifth statement. Answer is C becomes the fifth statement. Question number 28. Still with the same stand, considering statement F, the fourth one, which is the first statement. B is the first statement. India is a land of diversity with people belonging to various castes, communities, and religions, facial features, and skin colors. This very diverse aspect is a uniqueness that separates India from every other country in the world. 29. Among the following pairs, which one of them is formed with two consecutive statements after the rearrangement? Answer is BE. Third option is the answer. Question number 30. Among the following pairs, which one of them is formed with two consecutive statements? It is FC. FC. Fourth option is the answer. Now, these questions, I suppose they deal with phrase replacement. 31 to I don't know how many questions. The livability index every year quantifying the challenges that may be presented to an individual's lifestyle in 100 cities worldwide and assesses which location provide the best provides the best living conditions based on political, social, and economic stability. The livability index every year quantifies, not quantifying. Answer is the second option. Quantifies, it's a fact. Sentence is in present tense. Index quantifies the challenges that might be presented to, which may be present to. That is not right. Question number 32. Medical tourism in India is popular due to the fact that there is a rare combination of less costly and quality services, perfect amalgamation of medicine and engineering, which contribute in having brought the innovative solutions. Which contribute in having brought the innovative solutions. There is a rare combination of all these go with the phrase. Answer is the third option. Contributes, this is not right. Contributes in bringing innovative solutions. Innovating is not correct. For bringing, no. Contributes in bringing innovative solutions. Answer is the third option. Question number 33. Free trade agreements are often the agreements between two or more countries or among a country and a trading bloc. There are two things. Then we cannot use among. Ruled out. Between, between. Answer should be either the second one or the fourth one, or between a country and trading blocks too, or between a country and a trading bloc. Answer is the fourth option. 34. The internet and telecommunication services in India have increased in the last decade, and this gives a ray of hope to the citizens of India to fight with the long persisting problem of poverty, corruption, regional disparity, and unemployment. Not correct. A ray of hope to the citizens of India so that to fight, no, to fight with the long persisted from is ruled out. Persisted is not correct. Answer is no correction required. Fight with the long persisting problem of poverty, corruption, all those things. Question number 35. The sheer size of the Chinese and Indian markets will be continuing to attract is not correct. Investors and they remain in the highest ranking among emerging markets in confidence index. Will continue to attract, it should be. Will continue to attract. Answer is the second option, easy to make out. The World Health Organization Global Air Pollution Database released in Geneva reveals that India has 14 out of 15 most polluted cities in the world in terms of PM 2.5 concentration, and the fact that the data collected for survey were of preliminary stages and not the deep reports is even being much alarming. No, it should be, has been, is even much, is even more alarming, and not the deep for survey were of preliminary stages and not the deep reports is even more alarming, is even more alarming. Correct expression. Answer is the fourth option. Climate governance gone beyond the science from climate change to look at the social, economic, and political issues related to climate change. Climate governance goes beyond the science of, not gone, that is not correct, till go no. At no. Climate governance goes beyond the science of climate change to look at the social, economic, and political issues related to climate change. Answer is the first option. Policies established for the benefits of rural women should be tested and reassessed by the beneficiaries, using them as a social learning tool and not like individuals in which political authority is exercised. Not as individuals on whom political authority is exercised, in which is not correct, on which, through whom. Not as individuals on whom authority is exercised. Answer is the first option. 39. The idea of education is to inculcate the knowledge of norms and skills, which is important for an individual to socializing with society and surroundings and grasp the knowledge of values, ethics, manners, and habits. By socializing, to socializing, to socialize with society and surroundings. Answer is the third option. To socialize, what is the purpose? To socialize with society and surroundings. Question number 40. The e-governance improves delivery of government services to people from redeploying resources from backing end, that is not correct, from redeploying resources from back end, this seems right, by, yes, the e-governance improves delivery of government services to people, not from, by redeploying resources from back end processing to the front line of customer services. Answer is 2 is not correct. The second option is the answer. 41, I don't know how many, but in the given sentences, a blank is given indicating that something is missing. From the given four options, 1, 2, 3, 4, a combination of words would fit the blank, thereby making it grammatically and contextually correct. Select that option as the answer. If all the given combinations fit perfectly, then select all fit as the answer. Not easy, a bit challenging. In implementing a policy against transnational crime and terrorism, we must nonetheless respect human rights and avoid measures that will lead to further radicalization and compel, force terrorism, foment, instigate, coerce. Compel. In implementing a policy against transnational crime and terrorism, we must nonetheless respect human rights and avoid measures that will lead to further radicalization. And yes, answer is the second option. Instigate terrorism, further radicalization, and foment or instigate terrorism. You can use the second and the third. He challenged the government to reveal the full cost to taxpayers of what he termed a publicity. Usually we say publicity stunt, not the right word. Gimmick, yes. Ploy, yes. Again, the answer should be flim flam. Ploy. It should be 2 and 3, not 2 and 4. Question number 43. Sharp inequalities between different classes and ethnic groups and between men and women are often by debt and economic crisis. Exacerbated means to make something worse. No. Aggravated, that also means the same. Answer should be 1 and 3. Fourth option is the answer. Question number 44. The urge to translate her emotions into some piece of artwork made her itch to get pencil to paper. The urge to translate her emotions into somewhat extraordinary piece of artwork, tangible piece of artwork, material piece of artwork, concrete piece of artwork. Here, third and fourth, no. Second and third. Tangible, they should have used concrete, but material. The urge to translate her emotions into some tangible piece of artwork, material piece of artwork, concrete piece of artwork. Had they given 2 and 4, that would have been better, but I don't see that option. It should be 2 and 3. Answer is the second option. 45. It was a right of counsel to ask a judge to himself from continuing to hear a case because of bias. It was the right of a counsel to ask a judge to recuse, excuse himself from. Answer is the third option, second and fourth. 46. With an insincere apology, she shuffled off, glancing over her shoulder to make sure no one had seen her colluding with a stranger. Here, secretively, furtively, anonymously, hysterically. It should be 1 and 2. Answer is the second option. Secretively, furtively, both mean the same. Answer is the second option. When fighting the good fight against such a, there is no need for critics to resort to dishonesty and excess. Reprobate, degenerate, vagrant, debauchery. Answer is 1 and 2. Reprobate, degenerate. When fighting the good fight against such a degenerate or reprobate, there is no need for critics to resort to dishonesty and excess. With wildlife reserves becoming smaller, which puts animals in close with the infrastructure, The authorities must think in terms of working in tandem with the forest personnel and ensuring that convention methods are adhered to. Conventional would have been better. Proximity, propinquity. No. In close proximity, in close propinquity. Answer is the first option, second and fourth. If glitches are the argument for replacing EVMs, we cannot trust any system in the world. The paper ballot is most to rigging than any other voting system. Most, it should be susceptible, vulnerable. Second and fourth. The paper ballot is most susceptible to rigging, vulnerable to rigging. Answer is obviously the third option. We should be asking one fundamental question today. What motivates parliamentarians to speak nonsensical things if, as seems in many cases, it is willful demagoguery or an attempt to curry political favor? Plausible, logical, tangible, probable. Plausible, probable both mean the same. If, as seems, plausible or probable in many cases, answer is the second option, 1 and 4. That's all about this paper. Not an easy paper, to some extent difficult. Thank you very much.